Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on OPPO F29. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely turned off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And you can let go when you see your logo on your screen. Now you have to use volume buttons to choose your language and then press power button to select. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.